Let's play a game with words. Killing two birds with one stone. So we're going to kill so many birds with one stone. This word you see before in front of you, before. Something happens later, something happens before. Right? Here you see tell. So foretell. You tell something before it happens. That is, you can foretell. Something is going to happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow. That is foretell. Warn, something dangerous. Suppose it is going to rain. So you can foretell, right, that it's going to rain. And you can warn, forewarn. You are warning that it will rain. Forecast, it will rain tomorrow, day after tomorrow. There may be some raining forecast, weather forecast. So in case of weather, it's usually used weather forecast. You can tell what's going to happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the afternoon, in the morning, regarding weather. So here you have forehead, forehead or forehead. H is silent for it. It can be forehead. So this is head and this is forehead for it, right? So man for man. Someone has come earlier than the other guy. Suppose in a meeting, suppose someone has organized something. Many people come later. So the main person is foreman. He has come first. He can be the leader, foreman. And forward, when you have written a book, before you start the book, you have to add something before the book. You will talk about it. So forward. So you have written a book. The Vice Chancellor of the University has written about the book. That is forward. You can also write yourself what you are going to tell in the book. So forward. Here you see father. So Adam is your forefather, your grandfather, grandfather's grandfathers. They are forefathers. Here you see sight. You can see something, but somebody else can see even before. Something hasn't happened, but you can guess that something is going to happen. That is a kind of insight. You have a power to see something that will happen later, right? Or you can guess something. So thought, you do something after you have thought. This is important. You have to do something after you have thought. And you can also think before you do it. So forethought. You do something before that, you have to have forethought. Whether it's going to help you, whether it's good for you. You have a kind of cautiousness, right? So here you see bear, forbearer. So you have, is what happens. Your grandparents were born earlier. You were born later. So forbear, descendant of your forefather. You're a descendant of your forefather. So forbear, forbearer. Some, you can say you have the light, right? You go and run and so many people are behind. So you are a forebearer. You are a forebearer. The flag, you may hold a flag, Bangladeshi flag. So you are a forebearer. Foreboding, this is premonitions. It is dangerous. It may mean that something is fishy going to happen. It's not that good in future. So you can warn, you can tell something that is going to happen. Be careful. Finger. So this is thumb and this is forefinger. In front of the thumb you have the forefinger. Here you see going, foregoing, going before going, right? Somebody who's going even before someone else is going. Forego, foregone, something already gone, no more, right? Already taken place. So forehand, some ball is coming and you are just protecting the ball from hitting the goal or your face or whatever. So forehand. You have to stop the ball, forehand, in front of the ball. So here you have foremost. Most means the most, all the most. So foremost means the most important. All, suppose 20 things have been done, you have done 18 of them, and many people have together done 2 things. So you have done foremost, the most. Here you see, foresee, you can see something before something is there. So foresee, you can foretell, you can foresight, you can see that something is going to happen. And foreshadow, this is also a little bit fishy. So foreshadow, something is going to happen before the thing, there is shadow, something wrong. And you have 4 legs. So a cat has 2 legs in front, that is 4 legs, and the legs behind are hind legs. So it's not before legs, it's not behind legs, it is hind legs, it is 4 legs. Very interesting. In many cases you can say that 4 legs. So the front legs are 4 legs, the behind legs are hind legs. So hope I have killed so many birds with 1 stone, and you have also been able to do it. And here you have the last part, for, F-O-U-R. So U is unnecessary but still there. Color, you have color, C-O-L-O-U-R. U is unnecessary, so British people write color U, and American people do not use U. So here you have 4, British people, American people, all people spell it like this, but when you write 40, U is silent, U is not there, U is absent, like color, C-O-L-O-R, C-O-L-O-U-R, so 40, right? So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.